What if you fell into a black hole? You wouldn't die instantly. You'd have time to watch it happen. From far away, a black hole doesn't look like a hole. It looks empty. A dark sphere, surrounded by a glowing ring of light. Matter being torn apart, heated to millions of degrees. But the real danger isn't what you see. It's gravity. Unimaginable gravity. If you got too close, there's a point you can't escape. It's called the event horizon. Cross it! And there is no coming back. No signal, no light. Nothing escapes. Now imagine this. You're floating in space, drifting closer. At first nothing feels wrong. No pull, no force, just silence. Then slowly, your feet feel it first. A slight tug, not strong, but growing. Because gravity near a black hole isn't equal. It's stronger closer to the center. Your feet are pulled harder than your head. And that's when it begins. Your body starts to stretch. Slowly at first, then faster. This is called spaghettification. You're being pulled apart, atom by atom. Your body becomes longer, thinner. Like a strand of spaghetti. Bones snap, organs tear. But from your perspective, time is still moving. You're still aware, still falling. Meanwhile, something even stranger happens. Time itself starts to break. To someone watching from far away, you slow down more and more until you almost freeze. They would never actually see you fall in. You'd appear stuck right at the edge, fading, redder, darker, until you disappear. But for you, time feels normal. You cross the event horizon without even noticing. No line, no warning, just gone. Now you're inside. And here's the truth no one can fully explain. We don't know what happens next. Physics breaks. The laws of the universe stop working. At the center lies something called a singularity. A point with infinite density, infinite gravity, zero size. Everything you are, everything that ever existed, crushed into nothing, or something else. Some theories say you're destroyed instantly. Others say you're stretched forever. Some even suggest you could pass through into another universe. But there's no proof, because nothing that enters a black hole ever comes back. No message, no signal, no evidence, just silence. And here's the most disturbing part. Black holes are everywhere. At the center of galaxies, floating in deep space, invisible, waiting. Right now, there could be one drifting through the darkness, and you'd never see it coming. So what if you fell into a black hole? You wouldn't just die. You would disappear from the universe itself. Erased, as if you were never there. And no one would ever know what really happened to you.